Hello guys and welcome to Plus Eco. Today we are here to talk about materials in Unreal Engine 4, so let's begin this class. For now let's keep it simple and we'll talk about only three aspects of materials. We'll talk about the base color, the metallic, and the roughness. The base color is the color of the surface and is divided in four different channels. We have red channel, green channel, blue channel, and alpha channel. Each of these values will go from 0 to 1. You can imagine this like a percentage, 0 being 0% and 1 being 100%. So imagine that our object have a red of 1, a green 0, blue also 0, and an alpha being 1. This means that our object will be red, because its constitution is 100% red. So what is the alpha value? Alpha value is the transparency. If you lower this value, your object will be more transparent and will not look so red. So now what is metallic? Metallic describes how much your object or your surface is made of metal. Also with values from 0 to 1, 0 being non-metallic and 1 being metallic. You can kind of ask yourself, is the object metallic? No, you want a value close to 0. Yes, you want a value close to 1. This leaves us with roughness. What is this? This value, also from 0 to 1, describes how clean is your surface. Let's take an example. When you think of glass, you think something like this. Even in the microscopic view, glass will be really flat. That's why you see yourself in glass. You see yourself on the mirror, for example. Now imagine something as chalk. Here I have a photo of chalk, so you can see that the surface of the chalk is very irregular. This means that the surface will be something like this. It will not be perfect like the glass. So when, for example, light comes in, instead of being reflected in a perfect way like in the glass, here the light will jump in different directions. And that's what roughness means. How irregular is the surface of your object. This means that 0 equals to the glass and 1 equals to the chalk, for example. But because not even glass is perfect, usually what people do is, instead of using this one, people tend to use like 0.1 for the glass and 0.9 for the chalk, for example. So this is it for this introduction to materials in Unreal Engine. I hope you guys learning something new with this tutorial. In the next tutorial we'll actually create a material inside Unreal Engine. Let me know if you have any doubt before jumping into the other video, and I will see you there. Thank you for watching and stay safe.